Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, dear scholars. I am Kaisa Sajjad. Today I will discuss what is literature review or review of the related literature. The first question that comes into our mind is that why is it needed? It is needed to write a dissertation or thesis, and it is needed to write a research article. When you have decided your research topic and you'd like to study and have formulated a research question, you need to review the literature on that particular topic. So, what is literature review? Now pause and read this definition. The literature review is the part of the thesis where there is extensive references to related literature in your field. It is where connections are made between the source text that you draw on and where you position yourself and your own work amongst these sources. So there are three key things in this definition that I like to highlight. First is extensive references to related research in your field. Second, connections are made between the source text. Third, you position yourself and your own work. So, literature review starts from reading the sources. Now, the next step is how to locate the sources related to your study. Some of useful databases you may find or you may investigate is your university's library catalog. Then there are some websites also where you can find some good research journals and books. These are Google Scholar, JSTOR, Abesco, Project Muse, PubMed, Medellin, Acknowledge, Inspect. So you can search here by using keywords or key terms. After collecting the sources, your next step is evaluating sources. In evaluating each source, you must pay attention to what is the author's expertise, relevance, academic standing in the particular area of research. Does the selected sources add to an extensive comprehension of the topic? Are the author's arguments logical, means supported by evidence? After this, your next step is to identify themes, debates, and gaps. As you read the sources related to your study, you need to pay attention to the connection between different sources. In this way, you can organize your structure of literature review a lot easier. You need to look for trends and patterns, theories, conclusions, or results, themes, debates, or contradictions, influential studies, gaps. After this, your next step is to outline your literature review structure. There are basically four approaches to structure literature review. First is chronological, from older to more recent publication. Second is thematic, that is presented in a sequence like an essay. Third is methodological, in which we compare the different research methodologies being used across studies. And fourth is theoretical. This approach we use to discuss opposing theories or model. So in a nutshell, literature review establishes the context of your study and it identifies the gaps in previous studies. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. In case of any problem or suggestion, please comment below. Take care. Allah Hafiz.